Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Vivo smart wake up gestures. If you're using a Vivo phone and now you want to use smart wake up gestures, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your phone settings. In settings just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. Here's that, just tap on it, and here you have to select smart motion, just tap on it, and here you will easily get smart screen on or off. Just select it, and here you have three options. The first is that raise to wake up. If you enable this, you just have to raise your phone or shake your phone to wake up the screen. If you have enabled the double tap to wake up, you just have to double tap on your lock screen or off screen to wake up. But if you have selected double tap to turn off, so after